Good morning to all dear students. I hope you all are happy and safe at your home. When I said happy, it does not mean that you are not attending school, but I am sure you are with your family and taking care all precautions to prevent yourself from this pandemic. Today I am here to share my views on a very important topic which I have shared my concern around a week back with all parents regarding uses of technology or the technological device that you are using for your online teaching. A week back, I have shared my concern, and in fact, I made a request to all parents कि if possible, if there is no as such financial burden, so you can purchase laptop for your student. And the reason I have mentioned there, and I am sure you must have heard that. Here I would like to tell you that we as teachers and your parents can only show you the door, but you are the one who have to actually walk on that path. What I'm trying to say that your parents might get laptop, and or most of you must have already got laptop or the personal computer at home. That is, they will do it. Our job is to give you all gadgets for academic improvement and for future perspectives, but the uses of that electronic gadget is entirely depends on you. Most of you in our school are wards of army personnel where fathers are not posted in the station and they are raised by single parent, that to mother, and mother may not be as educated as you are. What I'm trying to say that she may not look after, she may not able to see that how the laptop or the personal computer can be used. So in this scenario your responsibility becomes too much, because literally there is hardly anyone who can see or who can look after what activities is going through your laptop or even mobile phone. So you are the one. I suppose you are a mature student, whether you are in class 6th or in class 12th, the junior most class and the senior most class, you know that how to use that technology. There can be a lot of discussion of technology, the positive impact and the negative impact. Negative impact will always be there, it is not in our control. But what I'm trying to say that see the positive aspect of life. The way for the last 3 months all of us are locked down at home or school, maybe we are trying to prevent ourselves from this pandemic by taking care of ourselves. There is no point of blaming others regarding this coronavirus situation. At the end of the day, we have to take care of own things. आप कभी बसों में, सरकारी बसों में चढ़े होंगे तो उसमें कई बार लिखा रहता है, बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल ड्यूरिंग माई स्कूल डेज इन DTC बसेस इन दिल्ली, तो उसमें लिखा रहता था कि यात्री अपने सामान की रक्षा खुद करें. सो दिस इज़ द एनालॉजी दैट आई वुड लाइक टू गिव कि नाउ वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवर ओन सेल्फ to prevent ourselves and to prevent spreading of this coronavirus situation. In the same manner, if you have got mobile device or laptop or the PC, the uses of that electronic device is entirely dependent on you. You are the one who have to see the positive aspect of technology, and you have to use that technology for the betterment of your future. As I said earlier, negative impact will be there, negative vibes will be there, you will get lot of stuff from the environment. When I say environment, it could be your friends, it can be your local friends from home, school friends, relatives, cousin brothers, lot of things that you get to know from others. But at the end of the day, you are the one who is responsible. You are the one, you are accountable for your parents. So I request all of you of correct uses of technology or the mobile phone or WhatsApp or Facebook, or in comprehensively word it is internet. Make positive use of internet There are a lot of things that you can do from internet. For the last 3 months, you have been using internet for online teaching. You can use internet for research work. This is the time where you can work what you are going to do. Those who are in ninth onwards or even 8th standard, they can think, they can explore the internet world, what they are going to do in next 3 to 4 years. For class 10th and 12th students, those are both students, they can search online board last 5 year board exam papers, search various sites are available. Khan Academy is available, Tutor Vista is available, YouTube में lot of videos are available related to your course. As I mentioned earlier, the C 11th 12th class students, they can go the government platform, Swayam platform, they can go, they can explore that, they can join that courses. All subjects are there in that Swayam platform. It's a Ministry of HRD initiative. So you can do that. To see the positive aspects of this technology, don't see that, because a lot of feedback that I get, most of the students are not using technology in a better way, because I keep getting feedback from parents via voice message, via WhatsApp message. So I thought, let me talk directly to my dear students how to use this situation in a positive manner, and that will, and if you think positive in all situation, and especially at your age where the prime concern is academics at this moment, your overall development, if you think positively in all aspect, believe me, everything will fall in place. But be positive, try to learn from each and every situation, and believe me, there is a lot of things that you can do by being positive. Learn from your mistakes, never repeat those mistakes, avail that opportunity that coming to your way. Don't give excuses because of that, because of internet connection. Yeah, internet connection, connectivity is a problem in Pithoragarh, that I do understand that. But whenever you get connectivity, try to avail that opportunity, because there is no point of cribbing about internet connection, because it is not in our hand. Neither you are responsible for that, nor school administration responsible for that. So whenever you get connectivity, maybe afternoon, maybe evening, maybe early morning, you have to find means and ways to get best out of that technology. So I request once again, be positive, think positive, and take out best from the whatever the situation that we have right now, and use the technology in a better way, so that it will help you in your future prospects. I hope you will understand my concern and your parent concern. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.